Holy moly, guys, it's snowing so bad, like, again in 2018. This is gonna go on my YouTube channel, but holy shit. Like, man, sorry, bro. Snowing so hard, like, what do you mean? What the hell? It's like in 2018 snow, that's how much there is, like, do you see it's filling up, like, in 30 minutes, my mom was like, hey, yo, wake up, like, oh my god. Oh man, it's so cold. I can't even see anything, bro. What the hell?
Just take a second.
What the hell? Like, come on.